I'll say it. Thanks. Good morning, everybody. I'm with Adaptive Imaging Technologies. We were, to be honest, lucky enough to win the Global Security Challenge last year. We're a relatively small company. Yeah, okay. We're in Yokneam. We'll be celebrating our second birthday actually next month. Three co-founders, a gentleman with a beard and glasses over there, Eli Yaakov, who's the genius that invented our technology. Itzik Pomerantz next to him, and myself. What we do is a new kind of camera technology, primarily for wide area surveillance applications. In a nutshell, conventional video technology operates at megapixel resolution. We operate at gigapixel resolution. That's 1,000 times higher resolution than high-end surveillance cameras today. The other property that we have is that conventional video cameras have uniform resolution, meaning the same level of resolution across the scene. We have non-uniform resolution, meaning you can get the extreme resolution on areas of the scene that are important without wasting all the pixels on areas of the scene that you really don't care about. Why is this important? Because the world's full of open, large areas like borders, stadiums, airports, seaports, etc., which conventional video technology doesn't have the range or the resolution or the ability to look in more than one direction at a time that would be required to cover it. We do, and we believe that our technology enables literally order of magnitude improvements in the ability to cost-effectively protect wide areas. You're bringing out your checkbook?
Maybe I'll help you.
Good. So that's essentially what we're all about. Ed had asked us to discuss a little bit about our funding strategy. We had made a decision early on to delay, I guess what some people say is the moment of truth when we have to bring in an external financial partner for a variety of reasons. So in other words, we're bootstrapping. We've done this by, we started life with an internal investment by some of the founding team, I should say. Eli used that investment to develop a prototype. We took that prototype to an American company who agreed to purchase future products based on that prototype on an advanced purchase basis. We used the funding from that deal to develop the product. We also have a productive relationship with Moffat. I think we're one of the crazy companies that you mentioned, which both...
The name of the decision, the money.
You remember with a smile or with a tear? And I should mention that not only is that a great relationship in terms of the funding we receive, but it also provides a level of expertise about user requirements, what else is in the market, ideas that has been extremely valuable for us. Since the last year's GSC, we're also working with TISWI, which has been a great experience so far. I should mention that at the outset, we also got initial support from the TNUFA program of the Chief Scientist's Office, which was very helpful in defraying some of the costs of, for example, our first patent and some of the prototype costs. I also mention one other element of our bootstrapping strategy, which is that we try to, as much as possible, leverage partners to do some of the development of elements of our solution which are not in our core competence, but which are required by the market. So, for example, our camera, well, I guess like all cameras, can't work at night. But it turns out that the bad guys do work at night. And in fact, they like to. So we need a night solution. So we've made an agreement with a US organization that specializes in advanced sensor and laser technology to develop a illuminator, proprietary illuminator that's customized for our technology and will be integrated in our technology. They're a believer in our technology, so for them this is a nice commercial opportunity because they'll get some commercial benefits once the joint solution is on the market. And for us, it's avoided the need to make a very substantial and technologically risky development initiative ourselves. So I guess that's what we do and how we've been funded so far. Thanks.
So how are you going to be funded?
Well, so far, that's how we are funded. And I guess, like everything else, it has its pros and cons.
Well, sounds great to me.